Hi guys, I got a new game. It's for the TV. So let's unbox it for you. So we got something here. Take out. I'm going to take out the other side. Now we got that out. We can take out the PlayStation control. Okay, here's the full set. So we got the full set. So we're going to open it from the back. Okay, so we unboxed the plastic. So over here is the PlayStation itself. So here's the 2-player or 1-player. So here's one remote. And here's the second remote. And here are the instructions. And here is the cords to it. Here one cord and here 2 cords. So this is the end of my set. Bye guys. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the Ramsey Family on TikTok and YouTube. So bye.